Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GE dishwasher not draining in 2026. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to start by turning off the dishwasher and removing any standing water from the bottom using a cup or a towel. After that, simply remove the bottom rack and inspect the drain filter and sump area for food debris, grease buildups or broken glass. A clogged filter is one of the most common reasons a GE dishwasher won't drain properly. After doing so, you need to also inspect the drain hose. So here you need to inspect the drain hose under the sink or behind the dishwasher for kinks, bends and blockages. If the hose is clogged, you can disconnect it carefully and flush it out. The restricted water flow in the hose can prevent proper drainage and leave the water trapped inside. Now, if your dishwasher drains through the garbage disposal, you can also check the disposal inlet connection. So here, food buildups or an unremoved knockout plug is in a newly installed disposal can block the water from draining correctly. Now, if your sink has an air gap, clean it out to remove the debris. Also listen during the drain cycle for a drain pump. The unusual noises or silence may indicate a blocked or failing pump motor. Now, after doing all of these cleaning and inspections, you can just simply reset your system and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes for it to fully reset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.